to Dubai Island Beach, Piokin.
It's so bright.
So bright and it's so windy.
I saw an airplane.
Hi, Daddy Paul. Ayan, so we're here at the parking, fixing. Sobrang init mamaya, so nilalagyan ni Daddy Paul ng shade yung kotse para hindi masyadong mainit. We have so many things here. Meron kaming life vest. Meron kaming mga food dyan, niluto ni Mami.
Swimming slippers also.
Yeah. And then, later, after ng swimming namin, so mag-grocery kami ng mga fish and vegetables sa waterfront. That's why meron kaming ice chest. What are you saying?
I really want to go to swimming. I really
Yeah.
want to swim.
The weather is so good.
I want to immediately swim.
Yeah, let's go na.
Please,
Good
let
evening
me
for Daddy.
swim.
Ganda ng area.
I want to swim.
Yeah, so let's go na. Let's go.
Before, there in the grass, there's like spraying water, but I like there's stuff in it.
Oh, okay. Okay, so we will show the view while you are walking. Parking. Daddy's there. And see my pet. Ayan na. Nandun na sila. Yan, Emirates. Marami mga airplanes na dumadaan dito. Malapit kasi ito sa airport. Bira. Pet friendly ang beach na to. And yun, dun kami sa may cabana. Diba, ganda ng view. Di pa masyadong tapos yung area kasi may mga construction pa na mga hotels. Andun sila. Etong mga ang tawag dyan area na yan is for free. Pati yung parking for free. Free din yung entry sa ngayon. And then let's see after some time kasi pag natapos yan malamang ibayad na din. Ayan o, ganda ng beach. And then we have the white sand. White sand. Ayan. Ang ating oras is 8 o'clock. Nagluto na ako ng kung ano-ano. Ayan.
Yes.
This is your life vest. This is for Mommy. Okay. This is for you. Ayan.
I want to go.
May golf cart din. Para sa mga staff na gusto mag-ikot-ikot, mag-exercise. Okay. It's time to unpack our baon. 8 o'clock na, so gutom na. We woke up at 5 o'clock except for Joaquin, preparing, fixing. Yan. So excited na siyang gamitin ang kanyang bagong biling life vest. Tsaka yung kanyang shoes. Diba?
It's not shoes, it's slippers.
That's for the swimming shoes.
I want to go and walk there in
Okay,
the water.
when we are eating,
Really?
Ang ating mga baon. Fruits, di mawawala. Grapes. Ayan, ang tawag dito, the Lebanese bread, Daddy. I also have the yellow rice and egg. And also ladas.
nasa na ano yan? Dressing.
Ayan na, that's it. And the bread. Get the bread. And then this. And then Breakfast by the beach. Okay.
Daddy, God.
Yeah. I'm also not there. You only. Corned beef and turmeric rice with egg and what's this? Ano yun?
A fly. I'm trying to kill a fly with just my hands. Right, Daddy?
Yummy. Yummy, Daddy Paul.
Corned beef.
I'm gone. I'm gone. I'm gone.
Finish.
Sarap pala ng ano, corned beef. Corned beef with egg and turmeric rice while by the beach. Ang sarap din ng weather.
Hindi sila magdala kaya ako ng
Mahangin.
ginatang langka.
Speaker.
Oh yeah, next time.
Speaker for Piokin. Piokin wants speaker.
For music.
Daddy wants food.
Langka.
Mommy wants hot coffee.
Me, I want ice cream because it's already so hot.
Yeah. Who knows? Maybe. Maybe and maybe.
I saw ice cream when we were walking there.
Oh, where?
Just follow my lead.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay, later we will find out. Tapos na kami mag-swimming. Now, nagbanlaw-banlaw lang kami. Sobrang init na, grabe. So we're going to buy ice cream. Dito sa areang to, meron ditong Starbucks, tsaka Baskin Robbins. Meron din ganyan, no? What?
I can do magic trick.
Oh, really? How? Ah.
1, 2.
Ah, amazing. Forward, forward. Okay, let's go.
And our like 100 a video. I'm going to teach you how to do the magic trick.
Okay, let's go forward. This side.
Yay.
Nagbanlaw. Yan, dyan sa area yan. Karamihan kasi dito, puro may mga aso-aso. Kasi lang ganyan. Golf cart. Yan, dito. So, dapat sa CR. Kaso,
Mommy, why baby doesn't wear clothes?
sobrang init. Ayan, nahanap na niya. Grabe ang init. Yan, o. Tsura namin. Wala pa suklay-suklay yan. Ito yung Baskin Robbins. Okay, let's go. Yeah.
Yay!
What do you want?
Chocolate shrimp mint. Chocolate shrimp mint, please. Chocolate shrimp mint.
Yeah, wait for your turn.
Chocolate shrimp mint. Where?
So this is what he ordered. This is how it looks like.
This is mine. That's mom's and this is mine.
Yeah. Is that yummy? Okay, eating time. Let's go to daddy there or you stay here?
Tulog niya yata itong dalawa. Sobrang init. Nakatulog na. Natulugan pati yung telepono.